Handling your document workflows should not be time-consuming and repetitive. And managing them manually isn't just inefficient, it's also hindering you and your team's productivity. You need a smart solution that puts your document processing on autopilot. Trigger documents to be created, pre-filled, and sent for signing without lifting a finger. Bring your team back to life with Paperform and Papersign. G'day there, Alex here from Paperform. Now in this video, I'm excited to share with you how you can put manual tasks on autopilot by integrating our products Paperform and Papersign. Now here I have created a complete quote generator using the Paperform form builder. A lead completes the questionnaire, provides a rough date, and a price is calculated automatically from their responses. This is done through the power of Paperform's calculation feature. It enables you to use Excel-style functions and math to combine, transform, and manipulate your submitter's responses live on the form. Let me show you. You can see I've created a formula that attributes a value to a response, then outputs the sum of those values. Check out the video linked up here to learn more about calculations. Now, currently, when a lead completes this form, as I'll quickly run through here, they see this success page that states the business will contact them soon. The business will then spend an hour, sometimes days, drafting up a document, which then needs to be uploaded to an email, which addresses the signer, sent off, then usually following up 7 days later asking where the signature is. Ain't nobody got time for that. Not a business, not you, not me, no one. We need to eliminate this waste of time so that we can focus on the more important things like making a start on this project. That is where Papersign comes in. Papersign is an e-signature solution designed to simplify creating, sending, and signing documents. You can spend less time in email chains and more time on the things that matter. Creating a document takes a matter of clicks, but I'm prepared and I've already created a service agreement template you can see here. On a Papersign document, there are default signer attributes like name and email, but you can also create custom attributes too. I created a custom price field that will display the price generated from my calculation, and then a due date field that will map the submitter's response to the due date question. It is important to note that you can only map responses from your Paperform to a signer attribute and not standard fields within a document. Let's continue. Now, this same process can be applied to employee onboarding flows, generating a will and testament, client agreements, and more. The possibilities are limitless. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up. I'm in my Paperform dashboard and I'll head to the editor of my quote generator. Then navigate to After Submission, Papersign. Select this button to begin the integration setup. You can create a template document by selecting this button or choose a document from your library. I'll select my template, Services Agreement. Now time to map the submission responses to the signer attributes. Work your way through each field, selecting from the drop-down menu, just like so. And if you can't see a question in the drop-down menu that you want to select, just select manually enter a value, then select this icon to use answer piping and reveal all submission data available. Answer piping is a feature that allows you to pipe or display an answer to a question, a score, a payment total, allowing you to build a more personalized and dynamic experience for your submitter. Once all fields have been completed, create an invitation message. Now you can use answer piping anytime you see this icon over here throughout your form editor, and we'll use answer piping to create a more personal message for your signer. The document owner will automatically be the account you're currently logged in on, and here include the people that need to be notified when the document has been signed and completed. If the document fails to be sent because an email address or a name has not been collected, then you can configure here what action occurs. Either do nothing, or by selecting Create a Draft document will be created in your account ready for you to update and send when you get those details. Finally, hit Finish Setup, and you're done. Say goodbye to your document hassles. You can now focus on more important things while your document runs on autopilot, whether that be time spent with family and friends, or building other solutions using Paperform and Papersign to put your other tasks on autopilot. Paperform gives you the digital tools and the support you need to build set and forget solutions. With Paperform and Papersign, you can now automatically send documents to be signed from new form submissions and begin reclaiming your time. For those of you who need an e-signature solution that simplifies your document processing, well, sign up for Papersign today, completely free, and start transforming the way you handle documents.